My name is Rob Fries. I'm one of the fourth generation owners here at Globe. We make firefighters protective clothing that gets sold in all 50 states and 82 countries around the world. We started in 1887 in Lynn, Massachusetts. We moved to New Hampshire in 1901. Globe is the inventor of this kind of protective clothing for firefighters. My great-grandfather actually invented this three-layered system that's still in use today. So I think what Globe does is really an honorable calling. The Thursday after September 11th. I don't get a call from the Pentagon very often, but that morning I did. That call came in and said, you know, your products are performing really well here. We just need more of them. I said, let me check and see what we've got. I'll give you a call back. They said, no, you don't understand. We're going to take all 300 sets, and by this time it's about 11 o'clock in the morning, and they said, we want it here for 6 o'clock tonight. To which I promptly responded, I don't know about where you are, but in our part of the world there's nothing flying. And it's about a 12-hour drive from our factory to Washington, D.C. They said, that's your problem, and promptly hung up the phone. So everybody here pitched in. The fire marshal here in New Hampshire contacted us, and we said, we're going to have to fly these things. He went busily about getting priority or mercy flight status for us to fly these into Washington. And Federal Express gave us an airplane and a pilot. We were the only commercial aircraft in the sky at that time. We continued on our journey and landed in Washington. We were met by our local distributors who showed up with a large box truck, and we got it loaded. I rode over with them to the Pentagon into the parking lot at 6:05 that night. We were 5 minutes late on our delivery schedule. We rolled up to the truck where they were dispensing all of their equipment and so forth, and I said, I apologize, but I'm 10 minutes late. And they were quite thankful. It was a memorable occasion. It's one that is emblazoned with me forever.